Why would malicious people build complicated algorithms to get into your PC when you could provide them with your password yourself? What do you say? Wouldn't you do the same? They send you emails like, "I'm stuck abroad and I need money." There are problems with the delivery. Urgent, reset your password now. Something just doesn't quite look right, does it? Maybe your friend really does need your help. Maybe there really is a problem with a parcel being delivered. Then you click. Between 2016 and 2019, $26 billion were stolen using these methods. Phishing emails are used by hackers to steal passwords and other sensitive data, causing great financial and reputational damage. Of course, recognizing a poorly constructed fraudulent email is easy, but this is not always the case. 97% of users are unable to recognize a sophisticated phishing email. What can you do to defend yourself? Do not trust emails that present you with highly improbable rewards or discounts. Double your attention when faced with ungrammatical messages. Don't open attachments sent by people you don't know. Don't be fooled by the sense of urgency of messages. Never click on dubious links. And, above all, listen to the little voice in your head that says, "Something is wrong." In most cases, it is right. Don't be fooled. Visit LibraEsva.com.